Ready? Start. Last of all, the Attorney General pointed out the prevailing international trend all around the world, wherein the practice of divorce, though talaq-e-bidat, has been statutorily done away with. For details, refer to Part 5, Abrogation of the Practice of Talaq-e-Bidat by Legislation the world over in Islamic as well as non-Islamic states. On the basis of the submissions noticed above, it was contended that it was extremely significant to note that a large number of Muslim countries or countries with a large Muslim populations such as Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Morocco, Tunisia, Turkey, Indonesia, Egypt, Iran, and Sri Lanka had undertaken significant reforms and had regulated divorce law. It was pointed out that legislation in Pakistan requires a man to obtain the permission of an arbitration council. Practices in Bangladesh, it was pointed out, were similar to those in Pakistan. Tunisia and Turkey, it was submitted, also do not recognize extrajudicial divorce of the nature of talaq-e-bidat. In Afghanistan, divorce where three pronouncements are made in one sitting is considered to be invalid. In Morocco and Indonesia, divorce proceedings take place in a secular court. Procedures of mediation and reconciliation are encouraged, and men and women are considered equal in matters of family and divorce. In Indonesia, divorce is a judicial process where those marrying under Islamic law can approach the religious court for a divorce, while others can approach district courts for the same. In Iran and Sri Lanka, divorce can be granted by a Qazi and oblique or a court only after reconciliation efforts have failed. It was submitted that even Islamic theocratic states have undergone reforms in this area of the law, and therefore in a secular republic like India, there is no reason to deny women the rights available all across the Muslim world. The fact that Muslim countries have undergone extensive reform, it was submitted, also establishes that the practice in question is not an essential religious practice. In the circumstances aforesaid, it was submitted that the practice of talaq-e-bidat cannot be protected under Article 25, Clause 1 of the Constitution. Furthermore, since Article 25, Clause 1 is subject to Part 3 of the Constitution, as such, it was liable to be in consonance with and not violative of the rights conferred through Articles 14, 15, and 21 of the Constitution. Since the practice of talaq-e-bidat clearly violates the fundamental rights expressed in the above articles, it was submitted that it be declared as unconstitutional. It is also necessary for us to recount an interesting incident that occurred during the course of hearing. The learned Attorney General, having assisted this court in the manner recounted above, was emphatic that the other procedures available to Muslim men for obtaining divorce, such as talaq-e-bidat and talaq-e-ihsan and talaq-e-hasan, were also liable to be declared as unconstitutional for the same reasons as have been expressed with reference to talaq-e-bidat. In this behalf, the contention advanced was that just as talaq-e-bidat, talaq-e-ihsan and talaq-e-hasan were based on the unilateral will of the husband, neither of these forms of divorce required the availability of a reasonable cause with the husband to divorce his wife, and neither of these needed the knowledge and oblique or notice of the wife, and in neither of these procedures the knowledge and oblique or consent of the wife was required, and as such the other two so-called approved procedures of divorce, talaq-e-ihsan and talaq-e-hasan, available to Muslim men, it was submitted, were equally arbitrary and unreasonable as the practice of talaq-e-bidat. It was pointed out that submissions during the course of hearing were confined by the Union of India to the validity of talaq-e-bidat merely because this court at the commencement of hearing had informed the parties that the present hearing would be limited to the examination of the prayer made by the petitioners and the interveners on the validity of talaq-e-bidat. Stop. Over.